Hey there, so I've recently been printing up a whole lot of Gridfinity stuff to try and organize my office. And one little thing that I've started to really like is just the simple little box bins with the label spots. They've been really convenient, and this is just a quick little recommendation, but I've been using washi tape, which is usually used for more composition stationery type stuff. But I like this quite a bit just for these bins for the labels because it's so easy to just rip off a label and repurpose the box, because the box is perfectly fine, but I need to move to a bigger box, in this case for nails, and it's super easy to just rip off the label and write a new label. So that'd be my recommendation, way over printing actual labels into the box, because then if you decide, oh, I don't need to put these 3-inch common nails in this size box, but I need a slightly bigger box, well, this box is going to be something else shortly. I don't know what, but something.